Okay, I'm coming. My wife said I should bring my balloons. Yeah, so, because I keep saying I'm celebrating my 50th, but I haven't done anything to prove it, so there you go. 50. Let's see if we can, because they're trying to fly away. There you go. 50. And I have a big, it's time to party thing. I'm just flying around like, I don't know, it's just flying. Anyway, how are you doing, my lovely friends? Day 5, last day of our little short old-fashioned week to celebrate my 5-0, okay? Proof, I didn't buy just balloons just to make it up, okay? We had a wonderful week, I think. I hope you enjoy all the cocktails so far and all my takes on the old-fashioned with the homemade syrups and everything what I introduced to you. Today we're gonna finish with one which is blueberry old-fashioned. Again, we have this wonderful kind of a festive season flavor. But this blueberry, it's made with a lovely cinnamon inside as well, okay? Yesterday on the video with the brandy old-fashioned, with the plum old-fashioned, I did a little mistake and I'm gonna put comments, and I've put comments already there. The syrup actually it's made with a green cardamom as well, not just with a green cardamom and hibiscus, not the cinnamon. I've just kind of mixed up everything, so apology about that. But obviously I will explain everything in the description. Today we're doing blueberry old-fashioned and it's gonna be based on a kind of a peaty Scotch whiskey. And why? Because blueberries work fantastic with the Scotch and yeah, with the cinnamon and with the peatiness. It's wonderful. So, if you're ready for some shakes, tears and sips and the last of the 5 old-fashioned variation for my big 5-0, make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's make this wonderful blueberry old-fashioned. Like the blueberry old-fashioned, simple as always, but look at that bottle of bitters, very old, very, very old. Anyway, it just looks like it's very old, but it's not, it's just, yeah, it's happened something with it. So, the Scotch which I'm using today, it's a big peat, it's a blended Scotch whiskey, it's a very heavy peated, it's half inside, it's blended with Ardbeg, Bowmore, Gauila, Port Ellen, okay? Just want to mention here, use your favorite peated whiskey. Could be Lafroy, could be Port Charlotte, could be anything which you like and it's peated whiskey. That's what I have, what I like. It's a beautiful, it's Christmassy, as you can see, with big peat dressed like a Santa. So it's kind of a very appropriate for this cocktail. The syrup is the blueberry and the cinnamon syrup. Again, I want to mention if you watch the video with the brandy, with the plum old-fashioned, it's a plum and green cardamom, but I will put in the description. Okay, for the bitters here we're using cranberry bitters. Why? Because it's festive season, it's Christmas, cranberry goes very well. Also, cranberry goes really nice with the lovely peatiness of the whiskey and the blueberry as well. So we kind of, as you can see, every single old-fashioned I share here, it's have to have something festive inside. It's not just about the main ingredients, it's all about to translate to the festive season, okay? So my lovely friends, if you're ready, let's mix up this delicious peaty blueberry old-fashioned. Okay, as always, we are going to start with 60 ml or 2 ounces of our wonderful peated whiskey. As I mentioned, use whiskey of your choice, anything you like. It doesn't have to be big peat, but if you have big peat, hey, it's perfect, okay? Then we're gonna go with our syrup, of course, the blueberry, 15 ml of the syrup or a half an ounce. More than enough, it's a nice red rich color. So it will be a very kind of a red-ish old-fashioned. Go explain that you're drinking whiskey. Anyway, so cranberry bitters, 4 dashes, go healthy here. You want this cranberry flavor and you want a little bit of bitterness inside, okay? So the cranberry bitters, they are extremely red as well. And as you can imagine, you're gonna end up with a lovely red-ish old-fashioned. A big rock of ice or filled up your mixing glass with ice. and let's give it a quick stir. And here I want to say thank you for all your wishes, everybody who got in touch. Thanks for, you know, kind of don't forget about me and wish me the big 5-0, happy birthday. Thanks to everyone who subscribed and who still support the channel, and to all new subscribers. I hope next year we grow beyond and make this channel bigger. But hey, I'm having a fun. I'm never gonna give up, no matter what. The numbers doesn't matter. It's all about me sharing with you my passion, giving you recipes, having good fun with you, and I'm hoping you enjoy it. Don't forget the Bartender's Lounge. Don't forget the Patreon if you want to support the channel or get in touch with me. And yeah, give it a good stir to this old-fashioned. Steam the glass, dilute a little bit, and let's serve, okay? Again, grab your glass. A big large cube of ice I'm gonna pop in, or fill up your glass with ice. I'm always gonna say that, I just love it. I won't leave you. And let's strain the beautiful red blueberry old-fashioned. It looks like Negroni, isn't it? Nearly like Negroni. Okay, for the garnish, of course, it's a blueberry, so we have lots of little yummy blueberries on the stick. We're just gonna pop on the top like that. And this, my lovely friends, it's your blueberry old-fashioned. Cheers. Oh, beautiful. Smoky, peaty. Big peaty, it's a very special blend. You know, I mean, I know you have to like a peaty whiskey. However, if you don't like peaty whiskey, feel free to use a whiskey which you like, okay? I do recommend to do it with a peaty whiskey to have this smokiness with the blueberries and the cinnamon. And of course, with the cranberry bitters, it's worked really nice, but everybody have different taste. It's old-fashioned, it's a template which you can change to your liking, so feel free to choose any whiskey you like, okay? But for now, I'm gonna go and enjoy. Thank you for sticking around this week in my 50th celebration week. And I'll see you next week with another cocktail. We don't know what yet, but somebody told me that I need to make some eggnog, but like different than what everywhere else going around, so who knows? It could happen. For now, thank you so much, and stay safe. And as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye-bye.